Shut up and sit down.
Hello gang, Colin here, Festa 67's workshop. Welcome to pack 14 of Build Your Own Eleanor, the 1967 Mustang from the movie Gone in 60 Seconds. Proudly presented by the wonderful people over at Fanhome. Link on the screen and in the description where you can go and grab your very own Eleanor. Simple pack this one, pack 14. Seat bottom of the driver's seat, so grab the back section that you built previously. Keep the bag because the seat will go back in it, yes. So we'll just put that to one side. And in here you've got the bottom cushion. It's already mounted on a chrome insert. So just open the bag gingerly, he says, because there are a couple of packs of screws in there and I don't want them flying out. Just put the packaging to one side, clear that up, and then we can make a start, peeps. Simple process, this one. This is retained in place. Looks like it's glued at the factory. So it's not going to go anywhere. And you've got lugs on there that will be screwing into the top section of the cushion that retains the crossbar for the backrest. So I'll just have a little stretch to get me bits and bobs all sorted out, and we'll open up these packs of screws, just empty them on there. There's only one pack of screws in this kit on this one, so you can't get any muddled up, so just drop 4 of them out. You'll have a spare, so just pop that back in the bag and put that with your big pile of spares that you're getting. And I'm going to have these in little packets, all labelled up at the end of the build. So I've always got some spares. Now you'll notice in there is a groove that accepts the cross member for the backrest of the seat. So get that in place, just like so. And then that section presses over and it just basically grips it, just like that. And it's pretty free moving, just like that. A little bit of free in one oil, and put the first screw in. And just screw it home, give it a little nip, and that should move nice and freely. Now that it's attached, you can just go round now and do the final 3 screws. Same process. And I'm doing the back ones first because I want to retain that cross member and stop that from pinging out if I can, because yeah. Put in the 3rd screw, just like so. There you go, it pivots quite freely now, doesn't it? Strange that the Mustang seat was diagonal like that, where it tilted forward and slightly to one side. Strange idea, but it worked. Saved having a massive door opening. There you go, look at that. Oh. I want to make brum brum noises. I know. I need to get out more. I'm just nipping the screws up now, just so that sits there. But look at that, folks. Got a detail on it. It's just nice and free moving. But again, substantial weight to it, peeps. Yeah, it's a nice, simple episode for you there. Click the link below. Head over and grab yourself an Eleanor. I'll look forward to seeing you in the next episode, part 15. In the meantime, go and have a looky on the Fanhome website, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.